Good time. We're here for a good time, but I can't take a lot of time because, of course, we got to have this workings done by the time the fireworks starts. So I need some help. I'm going to ring the bell and you're all going to holler, oh yay, okay? Oh yay! Oh yay! Oh yay! As the official town crier for the city of Markham, I have an announcement of great importance. I read, we acknowledge we are on the traditional territories of the First Nations whose presence here has continued to this day from time immemorial. Gather round, citizens, as we bid adieu to the year past and welcome 2024 with resplendent fireworks illuminating our sky. Let the echoes of our cheers herald a new chapter of hope, unity, and prosperity. May the coming year be adorned with countless blessings, shared laughter, and boundless opportunities for all. As the clock chimes towards midnight, let joy resound in beautiful downtown Markham. Rejoice, because the future beckons with a promise. Happy New Year, one and all! And my lords and ladies, we have some people here, just a few speeches which are going to be very quick because we got to get them done before the fireworks goes off. But we're here right now thanks to, of course, the Remington Group, and we have the Vice President of the Remington Group, Wayne Chan. And standing in for just a minute, I'm getting some notice here. Okay. Oh, he's over here. Okay. All right. And we also have the Director of Marketing, Johnson Yo. Johnson. There he is. Okay. If you're having a good time, this is the guy to say thank you to. Also want to recognize and have him come up our Member of Parliament for Markham Unionville and the Parliamentary Secretary to the Minister of Diversity and Inclusion, the Honourable Paul Chang. Did you want to say a few words? A very few words. That mic is on.
Hello, Markham! Happy New Year, everybody. Love to see you all here. What a beautiful night. The snow is falling. We all here. I'm glad to see you here. We're going to wish 2023 goodbye in a few minutes. And I hope 2024 is the best for all of you. I wish you and your family love, prosperity, and good health. Thank you so much. Happy New Year, everybody.
Thank you. That was the Honourable Paul Chang. Please welcome the member of the Legislative Assembly of Ontario and Parliamentary Assistant to the Minister of Citizenship and Multiculturalism, Mr. Billy Pang.
Good evening, everyone. It is my pleasure for me to share this New Year Eve with you. And on behalf of the Legislature of Ontario and also Markham Unionville, I would like to thank you, Remington Grove, for hosting New Year fireworks show. I wish everyone here have a happy and prosperous New Year.
And please welcome the Deputy Mayor from the City of Markham, Mr. Michael Chan.
Hello, Malcolm. How are you? Thank you for being here tonight, and welcome. On behalf of the City of Markham, together with members in council, allow me to introduce York Regional Councillor Jolie, York Regional Councillor Alan Ho, and Ward 8 Ward Councillor Rich Lau, and other members of council, and on behalf of our mayor, Frank Capiti, I want to bring you the warmest greeting. New Year Eve is a time for celebration, reflection, and appreciation. I want to thank our city staff for their tireless work. I want to thank my colleagues for their cooperation and coordination. And most importantly, I want to thank the people of Markham for your dedication, your passion, and your love for the city that make Markham still the best place in the world to live, to work, to play, and raise a family. Thank you very much. Festival of this size cannot be possible without the work of many. I want to thank the sponsor, Remington Group. I want to thank the volunteers, the staff, and the other sponsors for making tonight happen. And also I want to thank the music performers on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy the night, enjoy the fireworks, and best wishes in 2024. Thank you very much.
Okay, we have 3.5 minutes before the fireworks start, so if you guys are going to say something, say them very quickly. Please welcome.
Very quickly, Markham is multicultural. We're going to use different dialect in wishing Happy New Year. Hakka, Xin Yan Koi Lok.
Hello! Happy New Year! Thank you, John. We have the best time crier in Canada, right? Also, thank you. What about Bob Band for your talented performances? You guys have been real troopers to be out here on a cold and snowy winter night. Thank you to be here. Happy New Year! Thank you!
This is amazing.